Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering and connecting the DualSense Edge. Make sure it's charged above 50% so updates won't fail. Once connected via USB-C to your PS5 or PC, check for firmware updates under Accessories and apply them. This ensures color options are unlocked and stable. After the update completes, open the Controller Management area or the Edge app. You're looking for profile or LED settings. From here, you'll begin selecting the light options that the Edge exposes, so proceed to the next step. You'll now enter LED controls within the Edge profile. Once there, choose a color mode: static if you want a single hue, cycling for continuous shifts, or breathing for a pulsing effect, because each mode affects visibility and battery differently. Make sure to set brightness between 0 and 100% so the color matches your preference and runtime needs. Then tweak hue and saturation to get the exact shade and adjust transition speed. You can preview changes in real time, so refine until it looks right. Once satisfied, save the profile directly to the DualSense Edge so your color stays after disconnects. Export or backup the profile if the app offers that option. To confirm success, disconnect and reconnect the controller, switch between profiles, and observe the LED. This verifies the saved settings are active. If colors don't apply, update firmware again, reset the controller with the small rear button, or swap the USB cable. These fixes clear connection or software glitches, so the LED settings can take effect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.